Yo, what's up mga Caps? So, it's another SB19 update. It's another SB19 video. So, yun ang makikita natin dito sa video natin ngayon. So, yun. Update lang to about Qatar, no? So, this video came from Miss O. So, yun. Samahan nyo ako, no, mga Caps, na panoorin to video na to. So, yun, no? Hindi ko na patatagalin. Simulan na natin.
Kailangan merong compromisation, di ba?
Okay.
Asan natin ng konti?
For ano ba yung goal ng
SB19 full interview in Doha, Qatar before the Simula at Wakas World Tour concert.
And I know this is like your first time here, di ba? As you mentioned during your plug. So we'll get to that question in just a bit. Pero sa ngayon, sige, I'll give Millie G the honors of asking the first question. Directed, of course, to Pablo.
Pablo, I wanted to ask you a question. Your EPs have showcased a range of styles, right? From ballads to high energy pop. How do you decide on the musical direction of each release?
the musical direction? Before we plan our whole EP, nagkakaroon po kami ng matinding brainstorming kasama yung buong team. And syempre
What is this,
po,
from the writing all the way to the production itself?
lahat po. And
Alam niyo guys, itong lalaki, nakita ko siya dun sa meet and greet na mga pictures. Akala ko parang foreign. Nagtatagalog pala.
Yung music videos, yung concept ng mga kanta na ilalabas namin, how many songs will be ballads, how many songs will be this type of music. So from there, we assess kung ano yung nasan kami sa career namin, sa journey namin. So if what we're feeling right now should be aligned to what we're going to release. So for example, we want to release, we're feeling if we want to impart a message about the importance of time.
Alright.
Yun po yung doon po kami magbabase kung ano po yung gusto namin ilabas na music.
Kumbaga nagkakaisa naman kayo. You guys are working as a team, no?
Hindi po kami nagkakaayos sa totoo lang po. Madalas po maraming discussion, pero syempre po in a team kailangan merong compromisation, di ba?
Okay.
Kailangan for ano ba yung goal ng grupo, yun naman po palagi. Hindi siya goal
It
ng
has to be a
Individual.
total collaboration
Yes
talaga,
po.
di ba? Na everybody accepts.
Yes,
Of course, okay.
Yun,
Di ba,
kaya
ganun?
po namin na po yung EP, nag-create kami. First time po namin maglabas ng rock song na galing po kay
Excellent.
Ken. So parang kumukuha po kami ng fragments of each member. Kasi po mahirap po yung grupo na parang magde-decide kami, kailangan mag-a-agree lahat. So ganito lang gawin natin. O ikaw, pili ka ng isa, gagawin natin yan. Pili ka ng isa, gagawin natin yan. So that parang everyone is happy or parang gets to experience each member's thoughts and feelings. Ganun po siya.
Excellent. So at least everybody has a say kahit papano. So that's good. That's good. All right, guys. Another question here. This one's for Stel naman. So Stel, first of all, guys, I gotta say congratulations. You guys have done so much for the Philippines, ha? Hindi lang para sa inyo, kundi para sa buong bansa natin for representing, di ba? Congratulations, guys. And with that, you've made history as the first Southeast Asian act to chart sa Billboard, di ba? Billboard Social 50 and Next Big Sound. And ang dami pa nito. You've got a lot under your belt, pare. How does it feel to represent the Filipino? Lalo na yung music natin, pare, on stage.
Grabe.
Di ba? So yun pinakamabigat na tanong.
Actually po, every time we receive an achievement, talagang, syempre we feel happy, honored, and super proud po. Hindi lang sa aming lima, but of course sa team po namin. Kasi hindi naman po namin magagawa lahat ng to without the support with them na kasama namin everywhere kami pumunta. And syempre hindi po mawawala yung fans na nandyan. Parang lahat po ng achievement kasi na to hindi siya mangyayari. Di ba po may kasabihan tayo, hindi naman po andar ang barko kung walang nagpapatakbo nito.
Mismo.
So parang
Captain!
Okay.
hindi po kasi 'di ba kung kaming lima lang po, hindi po siya uusad eh. Pero kung wala yung mga taong naniniwala, sumusuporta po sa amin, hindi kami magkakaroon ng fire to do the things that we wanna do pa.
Iba talaga pakiramdam rin if they sing it back to you, no?
Opo,
Yeah.
parang kahit po yung mga
Diba?
ibang lahi din na parang they love our language, even our culture, they try to understand us. Malaking bagay po yun kasi hindi lang naman po to about music eh. This is something we wanna share not only to our fans but also outside the Philippines na hindi lang music yung gusto nilang marinig from us, even our story. Now, open din kami i-share. Kaya I think people can really connect to us and they really understand what we want to say through our music. And I think we are not only representing Filipino music, also our culture and yung paniniwala namin na I think it's time that Filipinos really deserve the spotlight kasi we can really propel in every aspect kasi we're very talented and marami tayong alam gawin at alam natin na kahit sa parte ng bansa there's a lot of Filipino.
Yes, and we've had already a lot of examples that you guys already know, syempre, in our history, di ba, na who have been world-renowned.
Yes.
And just like yourselves, congratulations na rin.
Thank you.
Galing.
Thank you.
All right, I think Millie has another question here for you.
Yes, let's talk about the word simula at wakas, and I wanted Josh to answer this one. So, because it means end and beginning, right? What story are you telling to this concert series? Bakit siya simula at wakas?
Mahaba po ito eh. Meron pa ba tayo ano? Pero to
Okay
make
lang.
it very parang short lang, siguro yung buong it
The
started
summary.
syempre with the idea of Pablo po, with the trilogy. So from before po, ano kasi siya, nag-start po kami sa pagsibol.
Okay.
So germination. And then pagtatag po. Yung pagsibol is ano nga bang ano natin doon? Question mark. Then
Pagsibol?
yes po pagsibol,
Yung parang
or
nagre-represent.
paano po natin yan ano. Tapos yung exclamation mark is the next ano po para ginamit po
Pablo.
namin for the symbol. Doon yun naman po yung pagtatag. It means parang syempre po pagtatag po talaga kung paano si SB19 kasi po noong una nagpapakilala po, then pangalawa po parang this is SB19. And then po doon na po tayo sa simula at wakas, bumalik po ulit sa seed or doon sa fruit kasi po yung question mark is the germination, yung pagtatag is the tree, tapos po bumalik po doon sa fruit or seed. Tapos kaya po siya naging simula at wakas kasi it's a cycle po.
So parang regeneration nga.
Yes po,
Diba?
kung saan
Or reincarnation, I would say.
kung saan nagwawakas, doon din po nagsisimula. So hindi po talaga siya doon natatapos, pero doon po namin ni-revolve yung buong concept for the entire EP. So ayun po, and the concert itself po. Ayun, marami pa pong explanation, pero yun po yung main idea.
Okay. Thank you.
Sige.
Thank you, Josh.
Okay, guys, break muna tayo sa ating classroom recitation, ha? Ito muna tayo, kwentuhan muna tayo. So, kwentuhan nyo naman kami. Like, what are the most memorable moments nyo sa current world tour? Okay, of course, excluding Doha, dahil you're just experiencing it now. This is for everybody. Ano yung mga naaalala nyo na you know, during your tours? Kahit yun sa Pilipinas, or sa, ano ba yung tumatak sa inyo na experience or siguro something that nag-impact sa'yo? Personally,
Sino sasagot?
diba? That's something. Sige, kahit sino, anybody can answer.
Siguro po kasi other than the concert itself, generally yung tour namin since the beginning, the first one, Wayat, Pagtatag, and right now, yung mga experience namin na makapag-tour, makapunta sa ibang bansa. Siguro po like one is the first time we've been to Good Day New York. It's such a big milestone po for us kasi kumbaga parang it's a public televised program sa New York, tapos po after namin nun
Yun yung sa TV
paglabas
siguro.
namin,
Tama ba?
even the police na nakasalubong namin tinanong na parang kayo ba yung nasa Good Day New York? Sa parang sobrang laking yeah.
Yun na nakakagulat.
So parang ang laki ng nararating nung simpleng parang part lang siya nung tour namin, pero ang daming nangyayari, and also seeing good culture, yung environment, yung scenery ng ibang bansa, mas nakakadagdag siya ng inspiration na kaya natin tong parang ganito pala dito sa ibang bansa. It's sobrang ganda, and we know na parang soon sa Pilipinas, maging ganito rin siya, pupuntahan din siya ng maraming tao. Parang ganun po, nai-inspire kami seeing those things. So, ayun po, generally, yun, yung view, yung experience namin other than the concert itself.
Nice.
Okay. Well, speaking of concerts, since concert na nila niyan tomorrow, what fans can expect from your performance tomorrow at the Qatar National Convention Center? Can you answer that?
I think sa lahat po ng performance namin napanood na ng mga fans. And this time kasi kung ano yung
Parang may
performance sa
sipon si Ken.
Philippines, yun lang din po yung dinala namin sa dinadala namin sa iba't ibang parte ng ng mundo. And there's not much talaga ngayon, there's not much changes pagdating sa performance namin. But what they can expect is 100% best na performance na ipapakita namin sa kanila every time na mag-perform kami, and we will try to accommodate everyone as much as we can. Kasi mahirap kasi, for example, like yung fan service namin, medyo nahihirapan kami mag-accommodate sa lahat kasi madami, diba? But, as much as we can, we'll really try to, anuhin sila.
Cater.
Yeah. Kasi, malapitan man lang. Yun yung gusto namin gawin talaga. But, for everyone's safety, minsan, kami, medyo, muna kasi, mahirap kasi magtutulakan sa harap, ganun. So, may mga maiipit, ganun. So, yun yung gusto namin iwasan. So, yeah.
Ayan, so, all right, yeah, guys, let's keep it light on this one. Doha is known for its vibrant Filipino community, and laki na dito. I think we're about 250,000 more or less. Yeah. And growing. And you guys have, ang camera natin, our Facebook live fans are watching right now. So, any special message that you guys want to send to our fans out there na nanonood ngayon?
And also, invite everyone to
Yeah,
watch
invite na
tomorrow.
rin. Yeah, invite them na rin.
hello po sa inyong lahat dyan, sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. And I hope that you guys are having a good time listening to us while we're discussing something or sa interview na to. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. And, sa mga pupunta po sa concert namin dito sa Qatar National Convention Center, magkita-kita po tayo lahat and mag-enjoy po kayong lahat. That's tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow 8 p.m. Yeah, tsaka may mga tickets po na available sa lahat po ng gustong manood. Pwede po kayo mag-avail ng tickets. Sa saan dyan?
Ayan, sa...
Wait.
qtickets.com.
and
Qtickets.
studio.com/SCity.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Sige, brother,
Thank you for that.
would you like to invite them your way?
Yes, syempre po tomorrow magkita-kita po tayo. Make sure po namin na magiging unforgettable po yung experience nyo. Syempre, especially sa mga kabayan natin dito na namimiss na ang Philippines at ang mga performances na ganito. I-make sure po namin na it's gonna be worth your time and syempre your efforts. Yun lang po, maraming salamat syempre para sa mga 80 namin.
Okay. Lastly, can we just ask them to say you're listening to Kabayan Radio and
Yeah. Pero wait, they might have some more messages. Sige, go ahead, bro. Yeah, you have any more messages? Okay na kayo? All right.
Yeah,
So we're gonna go somewhere after this.
Yeah.
Yeah, sa lahat po ng 18 na nanonood ngayon and also mga kabayan natin, sana po ay masuportahan nyo ang musika ng Pilipino. You could listen to SB19. Puntahan nyo lang po ang mga social media accounts namin, SB19 Official or Official SB19. At syempre po, yun nga, bukas na ang concert namin here sa Qatar. And hindi lang yan dyan natatapos ang simula at wakas kasi meron pa po kaming Bangkok and Oceana Leg. Sana po ay mabisita nyo rin ang aming social media for that. Thank you.
Also, by the way, later, why don't you tell them to for the press
we're
the press
inviting you
con?
guys to come over din sa may Mall of Qatar for 7 p.m. para sa ating press con.
Magmamalling kami. Nila pa.
Okay, thank you,
Ayan.
SB19.
SB19, thank you so much. Your collaborations also with the other artists are just amazing.
Congratulations.
Keep on doing what you're doing, pare, and good luck, man. I mean, wish you all the best. Nakasuporta kami lahat sa inyo.
I really like
Kabayan
this.
Radio 94.3 bye.
Host.
Yeah, Kabayan Radio 94.3. You're listening to Kabayan Radio 94.3. 1, 2, 3.
Kabayan Radio.
Hey.
All right.
Hey.
So, guys, FB Live, thank you so much for joining us. SB19 and, of course, Kabayan Radio, hand in hand right here. We'll see you at the Mall of Qatar, and we'll see you at the concert.
Hey.
Kabayan Radio 94.3.
we're going to next video. It's the full press con. And here they are.
SB19 full press con and meet and greet at the Mall of Qatar. SB19 has just held their press con and meet and greet at the Mall of Qatar, and it is such a grand setup.
Grabe. Ang daming tao. Dito pa lang daming tao, no? Hey. This is the host kanina. Sila din yung kasama. Really like this host, man. Sobrang tropa vibes lang. Eh.
So before we begin, guys, I think it's only proper that you give them a welcome for joining you here. So let's start off with you, my friend.
Ooh. Paikot eh. Baby Justin. Mr. Aura. Grabe, ang hanggang taas, no?
Alright, have a seat, gentlemen, because right now, relax muna tayo. With this, sige, Billy Gomez.
Okay, let's now show the mic to our social media press right there. Let's start the press conference proper for this time. RJ Queen and Icy right there.
Hey, good evening, Kabayan, and good evening, SB19. Hey, hi, my name is Colleen, and I'm here with...
Hello to everyone and all the people that are here in MLQ. A very good evening and hello to SB19. My name is RJ Icy.
Alright, and right now we are together with social media partners right here for them to throw their questions directly to SB19. First up, we have Qatar Tribune, Doreen Regis.
Hello, good evening. My name is Doreen.
Hello there.
Welcome to Doha. I would like to ask
Daming tao. Medyo ano yung background.
Special for you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that question.
Wala na ako naintindihan.
Stories really exhausting. But at the same time, it's really rewarding because you get to see beautiful faces like these people. Last time there were countries and cities that we weren't able to go to because unfortunately some of the stops were canceled. So we promised together with our team that as much as we could, we would try to visit different places all over the world. And so right now, this is our first time here at Qatar Doha. We're so grateful and happy to see all of you guys here. Thank you so much for supporting SB19.
Such a heartwarming answer, Pablo. Thank you for answering that question, and thank you, G, for giving us that question. Now, to QCAS for our next question.
Hello, SB19. Welcome to Doha, by the way.
Thank you so much.
Let's go.
Yes. Okay, my question would be for the 18 fans as well. After yung mga 18 fans natin!
Yay!
And the question goes this way. 18 are some of the most passionate fans in the world. What's a fan moment that truly touched you?
Oh, sorry. Actually, today.
Yay!
Seeing you guys today, here. This is the first time here, but seeing you guys here tonight, we're very happy and we're very touched to see you guys here tonight. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta.
Ang sarap pakinggan nun. Nung sinabi ni Stel.
Pero you are here tonight to show and to welcome us here in Doha. And I think every time we perform or we share the stage with A-Team, that's already special. And especially tonight, we're very happy and thankful to everyone who's here. And we hope to see you guys tomorrow at our concert. And again, A-Team, thank you so much. Mahal na mahal namin kayong lahat.
Thank you so much, Sal. And yes, kung na-touch ka na tonight, tignan mo bukas kung anong mangyayari.
Let's see tomorrow.
Alright, up next we got here RDTV, the representative of TFC. Your question, please.
The Philippine channel.
Hello, Mahalima! Welcome to Doha!
Yay!
I'm RD from the Filipino channel and Papsi TV, of course. My question, SB19 has gained massive recognition globally. How do you stay grounded despite your international success?
It's a beautiful question. Question for me.
Nagsasaksak po sa saksakan. But siguro,
Pablo.
for us, it's always, syempre, appreciating our little things. Kasi if you don't appreciate life, or you don't appreciate the little things and the people around you, pwede, syempre, mapunta ka sa iba, or kainin ka ng siguro lahat ng achievements sa mga nangyayari po nowadays. But more importantly, siguro, learning to listen to people as well. Of course, to those who really care. And ayun po, siguro with us,
Pablo Tomayo, sigawan.
And mas mag-usap kami during the hard times.
Such a great answer, Josh. Thank you for that. An amazing answer. Now we have to move on to our next social media partner. Fabinica, what's your question?
Welcome to Qatar SB19. I'm Ika from Fabinica Vlog, and my question is, wow, parang contest. If you could dedicate one new song just for eating, what would the title be?
Salamat.
Maybe Kaharian. Kaharian, or English Kingdom. I'm thinking that it will talk about like the community that was built by A-Team.
Okay.
All the good things
Akala ko
that
song
they did,
dedicated.
like helping people, help us achieving the goals for the Filipino music. Yeah, Kaharian, it's for everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Alright, so nakita niyo naman na yung kaharian niya dito sa Doha, Qatar. Nung kanina pa talaga tumili, right from the moment they saw your hair strands from the top, no? Alright, up next we got here, Mega by Heart. Your question, please.
Hi, SB19, welcome to Doha, Qatar! And Abisana, Egnan!
Mukhang taga-farm si taga-maisan si ate.
What's one thing that you've learned from your international class that inspires your music?
Si Ken.
Especially, napakadami ko OFW sa ibang bansa ko. That's why sobrang laki ko ng respect namin sa fans namin, especially dito sa Doha. We just love them so much, and we just want to dedicate this yung concert namin to them, to give happiness and joy para sa kanila. So, ayun po yung paging matatag. Ang dami ng yung kanta na binibay sa paging natin si Joey namin. Yung paging malakas yung loob palagi.
Thank you, Kelly, for answering that question. I am very sure that all of our 18 fans feel that love and respect. Now, moving on to our next social media partner. Give it up for Hazel in Qatar and her question.
Hello, SB19. Welcome to Doha, Qatar!
Hey.
Hello, I'm Hazel here's my question. What's the first thing that came to your mind when you heard you'd be performing here in Doha, Qatar?
Siyempre po masaya. Katulad po ng promise namin na katulad namin po kanina. Nag-promise kami na as much as we can, we would visit the countries and the people na hindi namin napuntahan. Lalo na dito sa Qatar, this is our first time here. So, very excited kami to perform in front of all of you. Abangan niyo yung pasabog bukas. Kasi na, dapat manonood kayo lang kung lalabas na ang bibili ng ticket.
Yay!
Pero yun, I just wanna say, maraming salamat kasi po, first time namin, naging kapagtanggap niyo sa
Is the ticket already sold out?
Thank you so much, Pablo. And I believe yung pagiging masaya mo is hindi ka bibigyan ng 18 Qatar. Am I right, 18? Alright, we got our last representative right here from CNAG Digital Media, Miss Kai.
Marhaba, marhalima, welcome to Qatar. Hello. Hi, I'm Kai. I'm from Signal Digital Media. Salamat, maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo sa amin dito sa Qatar. Alam namin marami na kayong napuntahan and you are here with us. So thank you very much. Okay, ang tanong ko is straight from Manila na pinapatanong ng sister. Na sobrang mahal na mahal kayo. From all of your singles, mula Tila Luha hanggang Umaaligid, ano ang pinakang theme song nyo ngayon na lahat ng concerts nyo are sold out? O di ba napaisip sa'yo? No, so I can do this all day.
Siguro po, SLNT. SLNT kasi syempre nagpapasalamat po kami sa mga tao. Syempre po, pagkala dito sa Qatar, sa Doha, maraming salamat po sa AP. Sobrang po sa mahilig na pagtanggap sa amin. At first time po namin dito, pero lahat ng destinations na pupuntahan namin talagang sila sa sold out po nila. Kaya naman po po dito, kasi sold out din po.
Thank you very much.
Salamat po.
Thank you so much, SB19, as well as our social media partners. And thank you, 18, so wala mong pahinapaghiyaw. We're throwing the mic back to you on stage, Carl and Mary Jane.
Thank you very much once again, RJ for being and RJ Dixie, IC. Anyway, RJ and Mary Jane, this is a time for SB19 to give their message to our friends.
So invite everyone as well to buy their tickets.
So yeah, maybe our last message from you guys. Alright.
Yes, salamat po ng mga team na nandito ngayon. Gusto po namin magpasalamat for supporting us, for always cheering for us and listening to our music. We love you guys. Maraming salamat po. We hope to see you tomorrow at a concert sa Qatar National Convention Center. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakabit ng tickets, you can still buy your tickets. Yeah, see you tomorrow guys. Maraming salamat po.
Okay. Thank you so much again, SB19, for your time and for sharing your thoughts and excitement with us.
And again to our friends from the media, our sponsors and the
Hey, this is the entrance, guys.
Such a grand entrance for SB19 at Mall of Qatar PressCon for Doha Simula at Wakas concert. SB19's PressCon at the Mall of Qatar for their Simula at Wakas World Tour concert in Doha is definitely one for the books. This could be the grandest PressCon ever in their Simula at Wakas World Tour. Just look at their entrance and of course the screaming from the fans.
Now that we set the stage, it's time for what we've all been waiting for. The Gates of People who brought Argentina to the global stage as record breakers, leaders, and cultural trailblazers. So are you ready?
Ang ganda ng entrance. Ang lupit yun. Ang lupit pare. Grabe, ganda. Daming tao, no? Oh, boom! Napaka-grande ng entrance eh. Alright, next. The vibe is unreal.
Crowd check for SB19's press con at the Mall of Qatar for Doha Simula at Wakas concert. Yes, a lot of people have flocked at SB19's press con at the Mall of Qatar at syempre, nangunguna dyan ang 18. Just look at this crowd.
Yay! Alright! Dami ko. Mall? Mall yan ha? Pero buti na pagbigyan talaga tong gantong ano. Itong klase ng event. Grabe yung vibes. Actually guys, we had a Pinoy reactor that based on Qatar, no? So kung gusto niyo mapanood yung mga videos, updates, no, for sure mag-a-upload tong tao na to eh, no. So you must subscribe V2B, no. Nagre-react yan sa SB19 sa Mahalima, no. Yan yung Pinoy reactor natin na nandiyan, no. Alam ko nandiyan sa meron din siya nung nasa airport eh. So you must visit yung kanyang channel, no. And syempre subscribe, no, natin si V2B for more updates for SB19 contents. Ayan. So, yun. Ipa-flash ko guys yung kanyang channel dito and I will put his link on the description box.
Grabing crowd na nakita ko sa Mall of Qatar. Sobra hanggang sa taas, guys.
Yeah.
Hanggang sa taas, puno yan, guys. Hanggang sa taas. Tingnan nyo, guys. I-zoom ko yung camera. Ayan, pati hanggang taas yan, no? Hanggang taas, guys. Punong-puno. Full pack tayo with other celebrities that we will be witnessing here live, guys. So, again, this will be the biggest concert of the year brought to you by Kabayan FM Radio, and the venue event for this conference will be
parang sponsor
held here at the Mall of Qatar.
Okay, so this is SB19 Graces, a special occasion in
SB19
Qatar's
Graces, a
Philippine
special
Embassy.
occasion in Qatar's Philippine Embassy just before their Doha Simula at Wakas concert.
Oh. Anyway guys, this is the last video.
Yes, a day before their Doha
reaction
concert,
for today's
SB19
episode.
graces a special occasion in the Philippine Embassy in the state of Qatar as special guests acting in the capacity of National Commission for Culture and the Arts or NCCA Youth and Centro Rizal Ambassador. Together with the Philippine Ambassador, His Excellency Mardomel Celo de Melicor, they unveiled the new Centro Rizal signage in a ceremony held at the embassy.
Nagkakahiya sila. Para sila natatakot doon sa tela. Si Ken.
In his message, Ambassador Melicor praised the gifted and talented Filipino artists who, through their creativity and dedication, continue to bring pride to the Philippines. Whether through music or dance, literature, or visual arts, they share the beauty of our heritage with the world, just as Rizal once did through his pen and his ideals.
Po kami sa Philippine Embassy of Doha for having us here tonight. Malaking karangalan po ang ma-witness ang unveiling ng isang Central Rizal dito. And syempre po, we're always happy to meet with people who share the same passions at the same heart as our team, and that is the champion Filipino culture po all over the world. Talaga naman po, buhay na buhay ang kultura ng Pilipino, nakikita po natin yan. And as SB19, ang promise po namin, palagi po namin ipagpupunagis or palagi po namin ita-champion talaga ang Filipino music and Filipino culture all over the world. Maraming salamat po sa
The program included a showcase from talented Filipino students from Philippine International School Qatar and Philippine School Doha, who performed traditional dances learned from the NCCA's virtual masterclass on folk dance in 2023 and 2024.
Wala silang partner na boys, no? Well, depende sa folk dance. Kung literal na babae lang talaga yung character doon sa mga sasayaw. So, that was the latest update, guys, no, for SB19. Alam ko meron yung parang pinipirmahan ba si Pablo, no? Hindi ko sure kung parang dun din to sa ano kung dun din sa embassy, no? Parang meron siyang pinipirmahan dun Anyway, that's the update for SB19 Doha, Qatar. So we will check, no, kung meron mga fan cams na for their performance. So waiting tayo. So yun mga Kaps, maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagsama sa akin dito sa video na to. And yun, magkita-kits tayo ulit sa mga susunod na reaction video for SB19. Ingat po kayo palagi and God bless.